there's no risk-less business. Business will always have risks. Risks are managed. If you look at the probably control frameworks that SACCOs are put in place to ensure that they protect members' deposits, we are not saying you just, if you want to borrow, you just walk in and walk out with the funds. These funds belongs to the members. That this net depositor doesn't want to touch loans. What is driving him or his main motive is just to earn rebates at the end of the year. Then there's this other net borrower. What is pushing them to SACCOs is just to access affordable credit facilities. So you need to balance the needs of the two. How do you protect this net saver from his money disappearing by these borrowers? You ensure that you have a credit policy that governs on exactly who gets to access what. Number one, they look at the capacity to pay and the character. We made it, I think the government has made it easier for us to be able to access credit reference bureau reports so that we are able to see, have you borrowed elsewhere? Are you able to satisfactorily service that loan? So in case you have a bad character, it sends a signal to us. If you fail to pay money for somebody else, why should we trust that once we extend that credit facility from us, you'll pay us back? So character is very critical. Number two is that capacity. Then we look at exactly what is it that you intend to do with this money. Because if we extend a credit facility for you to go and undertake any economic activity that is not viable, we are failing you. You easily burn your fingers, and the failure is on us. We are around you to borrow and go and do things that were not viable. So we are very careful on what we fund or what we finance. So members' deposits are very much protected. Yeah.